create a Java package and call it instantly using platform channel. So say, for example, if you were using a library you're used to in Java, if you do, you would have to do some reading. It's not super straightforward. You should be able to communicate, listen to the outputs, and do what you want to do. However, if it's simple like Bluetooth, there is already a package, Flutter, that allows you to work with Bluetooth directly. You don't have to. So we have pop.dev. So this is it. So it gives you all the packages. So if you write, say, for example, Bluetooth, how do I spell Bluetooth, please? I hope I spelled it. So you'd see several packages that people have already created. But if you want to create the package yourself, you can actually. So there is a package, this package, you can see how you can actually read. You can print, you can read. And this is one, and this is another package. You can also read, you can also print. So you just need to do the permissions work on iOS and Android, and you can see Bluetooth.print.connect to a device. You can disconnect, you can listen, you can even, like you see in this switch case, checks whether it's connected and tells you it's connected. If it's disconnected, it tells you not. So there are packages already that people have done the work of like bridging between the different platforms. And in case there isn't you haven't solved the problem, you haven't found the problem, if you have enough time, you should be able to build the solution in whatever platform you want to use it. In my case, when we are working at Lapaya, most Android and iOS, we usually don't have issues with them. We always usually have packages that solve our problem. But when it comes to web, there are still things that haven't been implemented fully. Sometimes we have to write the JavaScript ourselves. And for example, when we were working with Vimeo, we didn't have a Vimeo package that works for web properly. And we wanted to also monitor user data when he was watching while watching Vimeo. So we had to write our own package, and yeah.
Okay, I understand. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Someone is asking about Okta. Still really pretty new. So, yeah. I don't think you should use it. It's still, the popularity is low, and I don't know if it has good documentation. So if you can't use Okta, for example, for the authentication, you can also check fingerprint. There should be something for fingerprint. I haven't solved this particular issue directly, but so here is something, a biometric fingerprint dialog. So you can check it out, and you can use it to handle fingerprint registrations. Then I'm not seeing anything, but maybe in your own case, you might need to also use platform-specific code to handle the fingerprint issue. But this is something interesting. Maybe we should add it to the project we wanted to build, so that I can also do some research about it and try and solve the problem, and we can have a solution about it, with it, even if it means building platform-specific solution and integrating it properly. We're still having questions from Marcos.
Okay, no, thanks. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah.
I think Musa Abdulhamid's hand is up.
Yes. Musa? Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone.
Salam.
Yeah, my own question is not much. Like, we will be beginner, so I've not built any app yet. So which advice can you give us with beginner, and like guideline and motivation that can guide us when building a WhatsApp?